And in other news, Sandigan Bayan officials inspected the new Quezon City jail amid questions raised by Senator Rodante Marcoleta's camp over his transfer to an isolation facility. Meanwhile, the anti-graft court has also set the pre-trial for the senator's plunder case on August 10. Ace Medrano has the details.
This is what the infirmary inside the new Quezon City jail looks like, where Senator Rodante Marcoleta will be detained. Officials from the Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division inspected this facility following questions from the camp of Marcoleta. Recall that the UP Philippine General Hospital issued a medical assessment that Marcoleta may be released from the hospital since he no longer manifests symptoms of pneumonia, though UPPGH recommended to place him in a 1-week isolation and medication. Once done with isolation, Marcoleta may soon be transferred to the general population cell.
Kung okay na yung medical condition niya, dun sa saan namin nilagay sina Senator Jinggoy and si Bongbong.
In an interview with Treze Mornings, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology assured the public that despite this arrangement for Senator Marcoleta, no special or VIP treatment will be given to the senator.
Sa BJMP ho, mananatili lang ho ang pagtupad namin sa mandato. Makaasa ho ang ating mga kababayan na pantay-pantay, magkaparehas lamang ho ang pagtrato natin sa lahat ng PDL.
Meanwhile, the anti-graft court sets a pre-trial for Marcoleta's plunder case on August 10, and the prosecution says they will present 11 to 13 witnesses for this case. Ace Medrano, IBC News.